A very good morning. Welcome to dear teacher and revisions. And we are revising. Today our revision topic is surface areas and dear teacher and revisions. Our revision is areas, surface areas and volumes. So ఏం ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయాయి కదండి రేపు మ్యాథ్స్ ఉందా అవునా చదువుకో నేను మెన్సురేషన్ చెప్తున్నా సో we are doing a revision, fast revision. Now only 3 more chapters are remaining. One is mensuration, that means surface areas and volumes, and the other one is statistics, the other one is probability. So with these 3 things, hi Craig, you said some name. Good morning. Yeah, Ved, Rudraksh. Good morning, Rudraksh. So, and today we are going to do surface areas and volumes. Now, surface areas and volumes of the solid figures. Solid figures, yeah, some problem is there. I don't know. It's coming some late. Lag is there in my video. So, surface areas and volumes of solid figures, right? So now we will go to the board and we will explain. I will explain you. So this is a solid figure, and this we call it as a cube, and this is a cone. Okay, so solid figures which occupies space, right? So you should be aware of solid figure. This is a cuboid, right? This is a cube, and this is a cylinder, and this is a sphere. Now we have already done few basic things in 9th class and 8th class also. So now here we don't need basic things, we need some combination diagrams. What is combination diagram? For example, this is a cube and this is a cuboid. So then cube and cuboid is joined, a new figure is formed. A new figure is formed. When cube and cuboid is joined, a new figure is formed. This new figure, surface area and volume, we have to find out. Okay. Shripad Nagpure, good morning, namaste. Right. So this is how, say now for example, we have a cube and a cone is placed on this. So then what happened? A new figure is formed. Okay. Now you have to find out the surface area and the volume of this surface area and volume of this new figure formed. So this is the combination of the figure. One is a cone, the other one is a cuboid. So combination. So this combination of figures, and for which you have to do surface areas and volumes. Volumes are very easy, but surface areas you have to be quite careful. For example, you take this only. This type of question is available. in the exam, sorry, in the textbook. Devil King, hi. Song is not coming, sound is not coming. Yeah, yeah, you just see, check, my sound is coming. I can put my sound. So sound is coming for me. So now see this figure. This is a cuboid, and on that a cone is mounted. A cone is surmounted on a cuboid. So you have to find out the surface area. You have to find out the surface area. So then surface area, what is surface area? Only surfaces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, and also you just see here there is one surface, this is one more surface, okay. So some surface is left here, this one surface, this is one surface. So you have to be very careful. Even this surface also you have to. Golvi Paparao, good morning. So now this type of figures are very, very important. So in such cases what you have to do, you have to take this particular surface separately and find the area, okay. So the same question, if you are just seeing what happened, a circle is removed and some corners are to be added in the this one. Devil King, sound is coming, my dear. You just check your from your side. For me sound is good. So now let us do our questions. Now for this, you should learn all the surface area formulas and you should learn all the volumes formulas, right? No prism, there is no need of prism, there is no need of pyramid. Only cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Only 6 solid figures you have to find out. Yeah, Soumya, some video is lagging. I don't know, maybe some internet issues. Okay, at present you have to manage, right? At present you have to manage. It's lagging, lightly lagging frames, okay, lightly lagging. So you have to learn all the surface areas, right? So now for example, cube is there. Cube. Here I have to mention one thing, surface area. Surface area. In the examination, if it is mentioned surface area, total surface area you have to see. Total surface area. If it is only surface area, total surface area. Okay. And lateral surface area. What is lateral surface area? Most of the students do not know. For example, this is the cube. Now lateral surface area means you have to remove top and the base, and this is lateral surface area, okay. Lateral surface area means the surface area which excludes the top and the base, that is lateral surface area, okay. So now for example, you take this cube only. Lateral surface area means how many surfaces will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 surfaces are there. So area of these 4 surfaces comes under lateral surface area. If it is a total surface area, these 4 are lateral surface area plus top area and the base area. Total 6 surfaces will be there. Okay. If you are taking a cylinder, this is a cylinder. Okay. This is a cylinder. If you are taking a cylinder, so lateral surface area means only this part, remove top and the base, okay. So this is lateral surface area. This lateral surface area also looks like curved surface area. This is curved. Okay. So sometimes this LSA we call it as CSA. LSA means lateral surface area. CSA means curved surface area. If you are taking cube, cube is not having a curved surface. So for this we will be using the word LSA, because why I am telling all these things in the examination. Yeah. So in the examination we are going to read the problem and understand the problem. In the problem you may be having these words. So that's why you should know what is that word. If you understand what is that word, then you can easily do. So now for the cube there is no curved surface area, For cylinder you have a curved surface area, and for cone also you are having a curved surface area. Okay, cone is having, say, this is curved surface area, completely curved, right? So now how many surfaces are there, that is also very important, number of surfaces. So cone is having one curved surface area and one base surface, okay, one base. So total cone, two surfaces are there. For example, you take a cylinder, cylinder is having one curved surface area, one top, one base. So total three surfaces will be there. In the MCQs you may be getting this pin. Now if you are taking a cube, so cube, how many surfaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So whenever you are reading a question, you should understand. Devil King, I am giving only examination point of view. This is a revision. Devil King. If you can give me your name like Crick name is Rudraksha. If you can give me your name, I can call you that. Say Crick name is Rudraksha. Yesterday he told me he is Rudraksha. Like that, Devil King, if you give me your name so that I can call you with that name. So this is what is important. Now surface area, for example, cube LSA is equal to 4s square, TSA is equal to 6s square, volume is equal to s cube, and some people will say L also, 4l square, 6l square and L cube. This is okay and this is okay. So now cuboid, LSA is equal to 2h into L plus B, TSA, total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and volume is equal to LBH. So in this way you should learn the formulas without looking back, so that what happened, you know the formula, then idea will strike and you will get the answer. Otherwise formula के लिए सोचेंगे, you will think about the formula, what is that formula. So then what happened, your tempo of doing will go. That's why memorize each formula 20 times, you by heart. It will take hardly half an hour to by heart all the formulas. So Subhash Chandar, I don't know, Ayan, okay. Devil King, Ayan. Ayan. Good, Ayan. Where are you from, Ayan? So now I will let me go to another thing. Cylinder, curved surface area, also I call it as lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi R into H plus R, and volume is equal to pi R square H. So this is how you have to learn the formulas, and do the questions. I am not giving you any formula. Formulas are available in the textbook, and you just go ahead. Okay. So now let us do a problem directly. So I told you I am going to do board examination papers, right? So board examination papers, you buy any test paper books. From that, in that, previous examination questions will be there. This is the time you have to focus only on the previous board examination questions. So now let me do some board examination papers questions. Okay, from R.D. Sharma. I have R.D. Sharma, and I have this book is S. Chand, Ratna Sagar, textbook of maths, and this is R.D. Sharma से इतना बड़ा बुक है देखो. इसमें बहुत सारा एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन. Wow, even I am from Secunderabad, right? Previously I was in Secunderabad area, Safilguda. I worked in Safilguda so many years, right? I am very well versed about Hyderabad and Secunderabad. I was a student of Hyderabad. Okay, I studied all my things in Hyderabad. I did job in Hyderabad. I have retired in Hyderabad. So let me do some examination questions related to surface areas. Okay, surface areas and volumes, right? Yeah, 2004, a circus tent. The circus tent wala problem is very important. Okay, circus tent wala problem. The circus tent wala problem two types में रहता है, two types, right? One is simply conical shape. This is a circus tent. Sometimes the tent will be there on cylinder like this. Okay, this is also a circus tent. Circus tent will be in these two forms, right? So now mainly he will be asking the cost of canvas, because cost of canvas cloth. To make the tent, canvas cloth is needed. So how much canvas cloth is needed, or what is the cost of canvas cloth? These two questions will be there in this one. So definitely this figure won't come, because this is a single figure, and this figure you may have a chance because two figures are there. Okay, so I'll rub this. So this question definitely won't come, and this question will come, right? So then how this question? You have to divide. This is cylinder, and this is a cone. You have to think in two figures. One is cylinder, one is a cone. So now if it is only canvas, so you have to find out CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder, and you have to add, and you will be getting canvas required. Okay, canvas cloth required. Now into cost, you will be getting cost of canvas. That means if it is asked simply find the cloth required, okay, then what to do? Because the curved surface area, this is only curved surface area. Okay, I will show you. Say this is a cylinder, right? This is a cone. Okay, so now the tent is in this form. So then what happened? Canvas cloth is needed. Canvas cloth is needed means you have to find out the curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of a cylinder. So these two things, okay, adding CSA of cone and adding CS of a cylinder will give you the canvas required. Then what is cost? Say cost will be given 100 rupees per meter square. So you will get the area in meter squares, square meters. So into cost will give you the cost of canvas required for this tent. Suppose if it is only this one, it is very simple, CSA of cone. So now this is this question. Now CSA formula of cone you should know, pi RL, and cylinder you know, 2 pi RH. So then how do you find the things? Say this is slant height, and this is let me give you proper diagram. I will give you a proper diagram so that you will understand. This is cylinder. I am just giving you a rectangle, and this is cylinder height. Let me say H1 is the cylinder height. Say in between, this is the radius, okay? This is radius, and this is radius, and this is radius. Suppose if a cone is there on the top, what happened? Cone radius and cylinder radius are same. So now this is H2, height of the conical portion, H2 height of the conical portion, and H1 is height of cylindrical portion, and H1 plus H2 height of tent. H1 plus H2 height of tent. Okay? You should understand what is the height of cylindrical portion, what is the height of conical portion. So there are two heights. You differentiate both the heights, otherwise you will get confused. So use H1 and H2. Don't write HC because both are cylinders, cylinder C, cone C. So H1 is better. Okay, H1 is cylinder height, H2 is conical height. Then radius, let us say R1 and R2. R1 and R2 are same because both cylinder and cone are having same. There is no need of R1 and R2. You can directly R and R. Then what is left? Only slant height is left. Slant height is how much? Ray, Dan Bosco, come here. Chaitanya. So now this is L. So for cone 3 measurements, radius, height and the slant height. For cylinder only 2 measurements, height and the radius. So like this you should understand. Okay. So cone 3 measurements are there: radius, height and the slant height. Okay. Slant height, height. If it is simply given height, if it is given simply height, that is vertical height. Vertical height is simply called height in the examination also. If it is just given height, understand that is only vertical height. Okay. Height of the tent. What is the height of the tent is given? Height of the tent is H1 plus H2. Okay. So in the beginning, if you when you see this problem, you draw this diagram, H1, H2, R1, R2, all these things you write. Okay. If it is R1 is equal to R2, you write R1 is equal to R2. Okay. This is one question. So if it is only cost of canvas, CSA of cone, CFC of cylinder, and add, you will be getting canvas cloth required, and into cost you will be getting the cost of canvas. So this is one question. Okay. Another question. A cylinder will be there. This is the cylinder, and one cone is like this, one cone, and this conical portion is removed. Conical portion is removed. Then find the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. So for example, you take this cylinder. In this, conical portion is removed. Conical portion is removed. Okay. So only surface area, outer surface area, that means curved surface area of the cylinder, base surface area, and inner surface area also. Inner surface area, because it is transparent, you are unable to see. Inner surface area is this one, cone. Okay, cone curved surface area. So inside cone curved surface area will be there, outside curved surface area, and this flat surface. Total 3 surfaces. Inside conical surface area, because cone is removed. Okay, sometimes a sphere is removed. Sometimes sphere is removed. Okay, hemisphere is removed. Hemisphere ऊपर का, नीचे का. So that also you have to understand 7th chapter. Okay, on. Right. So this is what. Now let me come to this. So then what is surface area? Simply surface area. Surface area is outer CSA of cylinder plus base area plus inner, that is CSA of cone. 3 surface. All these 3 surface areas, if you add, you will get surface area of this solid. Sometimes what happened, there will be a cylinder, and 2 hemispheres are removed. Okay. Two hemispheres are removed. This is the figure. Right. So then what is the surface area? Can you tell me? Outer surface area, that means CSA of cylinder plus base is gone, curved, because hemisphere portions is removed from the cylinder. So here one hemisphere area, CSA of hemisphere, I write HSP. This is 1 and this is 2. So CSA of hemisphere. This is one area and this is second area. So this total area will become surface area of this part. Okay. So sometimes the cylindrical portion will be like this, and hemispherical portion will be added like this, like sweet gulab jamun type. Okay. So this is, and a capsule also, capsule, sweet, etc., etc. So in this case, what happened? What is the surface area? What is surface area? Cylinder curved surface area, CSA of cylinder, that means this one. This is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 plus CSA of hemisphere 2. This is the surface area of this part. Here addition is going on. Okay. So now surface areas part is done. Okay. So then this is second part. Then what is another part? This is a cylinder and this is a conical part. This is cone and this is cone. This is the shape of a new figure, okay, tomorrow. So then what is the surface area? Tell me. CSF cylinder plus this is cone 1 and this is cone 2. So 2 into CSF cone. Okay. So this is how. So this is about surface area. Only one surface area I have to teach you. So tomorrow I am going to teach, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I may not be available, my class may not be there. So next class maybe to Thursday, Fridays. Next class will be on Saturday. Right? Okay. Okay. Maybe my microphone cells got weak. That's why less sound is coming. I will change my microphone. This one. So, explanation part is done today. Explanation part is done. And I have to do some questions also. I'm going to do questions tomorrow. Tomorrow means in my next class, right? So if I am not there, I say as Ayan asked me 7th chapter I am going to put it, right? So see you. Please like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wish you good luck for your pre-board examinations.